Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you two ways you can use aloe vera to grow your hair and keep it moisturized and retain length. Our first ingredient will be aloe vera, fresh one. You can get one from your local beauty supply store or from the market. You start by washing it, then you cut off the edge. This part we don't need it. It is not going to give us a good gel, or it doesn't give enough gel. Then you cut off the sharp or the thorny part of it like this. Then you cut it into two and dice it into cubes. First we'll make the aloe vera oil. If you don't have access to the fresh aloe vera for the oil, you can use powdered or dry aloe powder to make the oil, but fresh one will be better. See that's the goodie that we are looking for, the slimy part of the aloe gel. That's where the juice, that's the aloe vera juice. So we'll be making the oil with both the skin and the gel, because the skin has tons of benefits or tons of vitamins too. So we'll be making it with the bark and the gel. Check this out. So after cutting the aloe vera into cubes, then we'll be using olive oil for this. We'll pour I didn't measure the olive oil, so you just eyeball it and use the quantity you want. And then we'll be adding virgin coconut oil. If you don't have access to this, you can use the virgin coconut oil, but this is what I have at home, so this is what I'm using for it. So after that, you put the saucepan on fire on a low heat. Then you pour in the diced aloe vera into it and turn it and stir it very well and allow it to for some time, like 10 to 15 minutes. After that, we'll be making the aloe leave-in conditioner. We'll be using fresh aloe vera just as we did before. Follow the same process. Peel off the thorny part, but this part we'll be removing the skin, so we'll use just the gel. You can either use your nails, your thumbs to remove the skin, or you cut into two, then use your knife to scrape out the gel and throw into a blender, just like so, like that. So you have to be very careful when doing this because it's very slippery. Then after that, you throw it into a blender and blend it very well. Then after that, you sieve the blended aloe vera with, you can use a cheesecloth, but me, I'm using my wig cap so I can get all those lumps out of it, just like that. Just squeeze and get all those fine creamy gel out, just like this. So this is what came out of it. You can discard it. Then you pour it into your regular spray bottle. Then I'll be adding some things like Jamaican black castor oil. I'll add peppermint oil, and I'll be adding tea tree oil to it, because all these are good for the scalp and it will help to nourish your hair and nourish your scalp. Then back to the oil, we'll be sieving out, removing the aloe vera cubes from the aloe oil. Then I'm pouring my own into a glass jar. just to preserve it, and that's it. So back to the so I wasn't able to use mine the day I did the gel. I had to put it in the fridge. I was surprised to see that it changed color, but it still has the whole goodness. It didn't lose because it was stored in the fridge for like I think 2 days before I was able to wash my hair and use it. So you can see how my hair is now. Let's try this out so you can see and testify the goodness of this aloe vera combo. So see how I'll be using the aloe vera. First I'll use the leave-in conditioner. I will sprinkle my hair with it. Then I will use the oil, apply the oil on top of it and on my scalp, and massage the scalp with the oil. Just watch while I do this so you can understand what I'm saying. Yeah, this is the oil. I'll be using it to massage my scalp, after which I'll take some to seal in the moisture of the aloe vera on my hair. And you'll be seeing how juicy my hair will look after this. So aloe vera has tons of benefits, both for your hair, for your skin, and some even to consume it. But it's very bitter. I don't think I can take it. But it has a lot of benefits, a lot of vitamins that is good for hair growth. It has vitamin C and so many antioxidants that is good for help that help to stimulate the scalp and boost hair growth, and it repairs damaged scalp. It heals dry scalp too. It heals dry hair. When your hair is dry and you're using this on your hair, just before you use it for like 1 month, your hair will change and you see the difference. So you can use this for your pre-poo. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner meaning that after washing your hair, you can put it on your hair without washing it out. It is to help to moisturize your hair. It will help to seal in moisture because the leave-in conditioner is water-based, and water helps to seal in moisture in your hair. Watch me as I use the aloe vera so you'll be able to see the difference before and after I use the aloe vera, and see how I apply the aloe vera. Try this recipe and let me know how it went. So guys, can see my front hair is under construction, postpartum shedding, but it's going back. I'm happy. So guys, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel if you're new to this channel, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you for tuning back in. I love you guys and see you in my next one. Bye.